So welcome back to the channel. Something a bit different today. This is a quick review of my Scott Addict Gravel, the 2024 model. This is going to be my training bike for the 2025 season, on-road and off-road. This is the Syco-list. Let's get on with it. The all-new Scott Addict Gravel 10 will get you wherever you're going, no matter what the trail throws at you. It's more progressive, more control, and more mounts mean this adventure-ready machine is your ticket to getting out there. Gravel and aero can also go hand in hand, with Scott's painted-in aerofoil design has been applied to the bike's main tubes, with the goal of optimising the airflow and reducing the overall drag without any compromise on comfort and compliance. Starting at the cockpit, I have paired the Syco's Creston 2.0 aero handlebars with the Syco's RR 1.5 stem in 110mm length. This bar and stem combination gives me fully integrated cable routing. The Syco's K-Edge Garmin mount just finishes the look. The Addict Gravel disc features 1¼ to 1½ inch eccentric carbon steerer. The head tube diameter allows for wider connections of the top tube and down tube, which results in an increase of torsional stiffness. Syco Race X25 wheelset are wrapped with a set of Schwalbe G1 bike tyres, Shimano 160mm rotors. I really like the purple colourway and small details that Scott have added to this frame set. 3-piece seat clamp holds the Syco's Duncan SL Aero D-shaped seat post neatly in position, and I have paired that with the Syco's Velcro cutout saddle. The small neat Scott logo at the rear of the bike really adds to the detail that Scott have put into this frame set. Small areas of yellow and black detail really stand out. As I have built this frame set from scratch, I have opted for the Shimano 105 DI2 groups, currently built with a 50-34 front chain set, 172.5 metre length front. At the rear, gone for an 11-34 12-speed cassette, give me all of the range that I need. As I've built this frame set up from scratch, I decided to go for the Shimano 105 DI2 group set, as I intend to use this out on the road as well as my training bike for the 2025 race season. In my opinion, these Schwalbe G1 bike tyres and tan wool really set the bike colour alight. I have also added a pair of Syco's Taylor side-mounted carbon bottle cages just to finish the look. The slightly hidden Scott logo on the down tube is a nice finishing touch to this already amazing bike. I'm excited to get the all-new Scott Addict Gravel 10 out on the open road or gravel track to see how it handles and how it responds. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked it, then please do click that like button, click that subscribe button, and check out my other content on Scott Bikes.